Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today we have a super awesome Hot Wheels RLC car that just came in. This thing is absolutely amazing, and it has to do with these two iconic cars sitting right here. This is the R34 Nissan Skyline GT-R, and this is a couple different variants of other RLC cars. I am missing one. I'm missing the blue one, but I still have the purple and then this fancy like Nismo package one. And these cars are absolutely amazing. We're not here to talk about these, but we will talk about them a little bit. And actually, let's go ahead and talk about these now, and then I'll show you guys the new car that came in. So this one right here is the one that came out. It was the 2020 club car, and this is the Hot Wheels Red Line Club. As you can see, the hood is popped open here. The exhaust is colored there on the bottom, but that purple Spectraflame paint looks absolutely amazing. This was, since it's a club car, it's not numbered, so there's not any numbers on the back or anything, but if you guys want to read that, you can. And it does have like the window in the back of the packaging, so you guys can kind of see it a bit better. But yes, this thing is crazy. They had another variant of this that was in blue that came out, I believe, in either 2019, I think is when it came out, or maybe 2018. I missed it, but fortunately I still do have this one. But let me know what you guys think of the purple R34 Skyline GTR. And then there's this one right here, which is the, oops, let me take that off. This is like that Nismo package one, and it's like really cool. It has like the Hot Wheels logo there on the side, and those wheels look really nice as well. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. And that packaging though is super crazy, which I thought that was awesome how they did that. It has like that little design on the hood. Very detailed. Obviously both these have like the rubber Real Rider tires. And then this one, the back is actually quite interesting. I mean, you can pause that and read it, but it does have the sticker, so it is a limited car. This is 13,046 out of 30,000. So usually when it has a little sticker on the back, I really appreciate that because it kind of shows you exactly how rare this is. 30,000 is pretty rare, especially for Hot Wheels. So this thing is incredible. But let's go ahead and move on to the car of the day. This is the pink version of it. Like, look at this thing. It is absolutely crazy. You got that crazy pink packaging there as well. And this car obviously has like the white hood, white side skirts, and wheels. This is insane, a crazy version of it. It does not actually have a painted exhaust. This one does have like a different colored exhaust as well, which is kind of a nice touch, but it's fine that this one doesn't. All three of them do have opening hoods. However, only the purple one is like displayed in the package with the hood open. The pink one does have like the little window there in the back for better viewing of both sides. It does not have a number sticker, which is a little disappointing because as you see, there's plenty of space up here. They could have easily slapped one on, made it a little bit more exclusive, but I think this car looks incredible. Let me know what you think. But yeah, do you guys like that pink? Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of pink, but just seeing it on this car and just like the way it kind of glows in the light, it's just absolutely insane. Also, the license plate says RLC Pink. So it's actually pretty cool how like there's a little detail like that in there. Man, these cars are insane. Oh yeah, and then the I don't know if you noticed the white interior there. But this car was highly anticipated. Everybody was freaking out about it whenever it launched. It actually kind of crashed the website, but that does show you how rare this thing is when like literally the website was crashing because too many people were online trying to purchase this. But yeah, this thing is crazy, and I kind of have it now with the lineup of R34 Skyline GTRs. This is such an amazing lineup here, and I would love to have the blue one. But, I mean, prices of that one are just skyrocketing right now. But, oh well, it is what it is. I was still able to get a good variety here. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the pink. I think they call it like the party edition or something like that. And, yeah, this thing looks really crazy. And I do love that contrasting hood and side skirts there. But, like I said, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. But if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos. I will be doing a lot more RLC cars. I actually have a I think there's like 3 more coming right now, like different ones I've not shown before, and that are like still kind of coming out. So I don't know if anybody even has them yet. But as soon as they come in, I'm definitely going to be making videos, uploading them here on MT Paradise. So definitely like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.